in your own words. If you were asked randomly by maybe your third grade sibling, or maybe your high school sibling who just like trying to quiz you on what you know, what's a unit rate, and you have to give one or two sentences to describe it, what could you say?
Good morning, middle school students. Teachers, if your students have not taken the Kelvin Post survey, please have them take it by 10 o'clock today. Thank you.
Raise your hand if you were late today to school. Anyone late today? Okay. Yeah, Jameson, question. Go ahead and give me one idea.
A ratio that the denominator is 1.
Great, that's a perfect explanation I would use. A ratio with a denominator of 1. I might go a little less mathy talk, and I might say it's like a situation in life where you have one of something. A situation where you have one of something. I could have 3 dogs for every 1 cat. That would be a unit rate, 3 over 1. Examples are 3 over 1. It could look really funky and look like 1/2 over 1. It could look like a decimal, 2.5 over 1. Today we're going to focus mainly with whole numbers. Unless you get to silver and gold and feel like challenging yourself, you can dive into fractions. Here's our steps. Set up your unit rate so that the unknown value is on the top and 1 is on the bottom. Unit rate always has what number on the bottom? 1. Set up a given rate. So all the units match. Whatever that unit was for 1 on the bottom should always be on the bottom. Divide the numerator by the denominator, top by the bottom, to get the unit rate. Then you're going to multiply the unit rate by the amount you're trying to find. Before, we've been setting it up kind of like this from number 3. It looks a little bit sloppy. Today I'm going to introduce you to a ratio table. If this helps you, great. If not, just keep using the steps that you did. First thing I'm going to do is read the problem. Chad, can you read example 1? First thing I'm going to do is write the question mark up here, unit rate up here, and given rate up here. I'm looking for what I'm trying to find. I'm going to place that on top. Am I looking for pounds or money for this problem? Do they want me to solve for money or pounds, Mason? They want me to solve for money. So put $sign in the question mark, and you're going to put cost. Everything on the top is going to be the cost. That means the pounds should go on the bottom. Now that it's set up correctly, this is the biggest blunder that 6th and 7th graders make, is they just kind of skip ahead and don't pause to set it up. It's really a pretty simple problem. Look at the given rate and match the dollars with the dollars. $6 for 2 pounds. Well, the unit rate is just 6 divided by 2. It's $3 for 1. $3 for 1. So if this is my unit rate, I can multiply 3 times how many pounds? They want to know how much, Lauren? 13 pounds costs. Take 13 and multiply it by 3. Starting off today with the gentlest types of problems you'll see, and the answer should be 39? No? D? I thought I said B. 39 is your answer. Ratio tables are useful in that sometimes when they flip the order, I'm tempted to put 2 divided by 6 and get 1/3. That is not the unit rate. You need to pay attention to the units that they give you. What's on top, what's on bottom. Try B. Read it for me, please. Justice.
If 4 times popcorn costs $2, how many pounds can you buy for $12?
Set up given rate, unit rate, and what I'm looking for. Which one is on the top? Is it money or pounds? Lauren?
Pounds.
How many pounds? So this one, I'm looking for pounds. Do not just automatically put money, because that's what we did first. Pounds is on top. Money is on the bottom, or cost. I'm looking for pounds. They want to know the pounds for $12 that you can buy. Let's get the given rate. Jackson, what would go on top for the given rate? 4 or 2? Match the unit with the unit. Is it pounds on top or cost on top? Pounds. So would it be 4 or 2? Good. 4 pounds over $2. Find the unit rate for me. Paige, what's the unit rate? So it's 2 pounds for $1. 2 pounds for $1. Pretty good. You're going to take the 2, and how do I find how much 12 will cost, Cameron? Multiply 2 by what? By 12. The unit rate is magical because you can use this unit rate to multiply it by any number of dollars to find the pounds you can buy. I can buy 24 pounds with $12. That's a lot of corn. Probably not realistic in today's grocery outlet market. If you've been grocery shopping or heard your parents mumbling about the cost of things. Example 2, 8 bunches of seedless black grapes cost $2. How many bunches can you buy for 20? Set this one up for me. Sean, what goes in the second column? Is this my given rate, unit rate, or missing? Unit rate would go here, and what I'm missing goes here. What am I looking for? Dollars or bunches? Lauren, where does that go, top or bottom? Whatever you're looking for goes on the top. What would go on the bottom, Corbin? If bunches is on top, the money? Or cost? Great. Okay, go to what you're looking for. You're looking for how much or how many bunches for 20 bucks. So everything should have dollars in the bottom. The given rate is $2 for 8 bunches. What's the unit rate of this, Kate? 4. 8 divided by 2 works. With that unit rate, what do I do, Tessa, to get how much? 20 bunches, or $20. 4 times 20 would give me the bunches I can buy. That is a whole lot of bunches. For $20? I know, I was just making random problems.
Wonder you did 1.8.
I think that's the dollar.
No.
Here you go. My dollar sign was just a little to the left. Yes. 20 times 4 is 80. Sorry. Better luck next time. 80 bunches is the answer. Last example. Nick fills 4 tubs of water in 24 minutes. How long will it take to fill 10 tubs of water? On a test, you're probably not going to be given a ratio table, but you can make one up by drawing a box and 4 categories. You want water in minutes or minutes to water? What's on top for this one? Get ready to turn and talk. What is the missing amount? I don't care who goes first. Turn and talk. What goes on the top? Go. How long would be minutes? I agree. Fill it out. Tubs would go on the bottom. Time or minutes would work for that one. So if it's how long in 10, Paige, what would my given rate be? Great. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Sierra, what do I do with the 6? That's my unit rate. 6 times 10 is 60. You'll notice a pattern probably because you guys are very intelligent that it's like, oh wait, the biggest number is always on top.
Yeah.
Do not fall into that trap. It's gonna change tomorrow when we have decimals and fractions. It works for today, but don't fall into that line of thinking because it will not work. You should use the ratio table to help set up what's on top versus what's on bottom. It would take 60 minutes to fill 10 tubs. You try A and B on your own. You have 3 minutes. Independence. Go. Notice how there's no ratio table. I want you to make your ratio table for A. For B, if you want to set it up like we did for the warm-up, that is okay. But I need to see you attempt ratio table on your own for A. For B, I'm okay with this. The GRUR question is an okay setup, but I want you to have this set up for at least A. So if you're writing GRUR, I need at least the the line like this. Oh, I see what you're saying. That's fine. Like that. That's fine. I just want to make sure the units are here. So I'm looking for how much paint. So gallons, I need to see that unit. And then walls. Like that. That's it. What? Gallon? I'm fine with paint. How much paint? Yeah. If you're done with A and B, go to bronze. Paint. Give me the answer for A if you're done, Logan.
$15.
Agree with that? Silent, yes. And answer for B if you're done, Avery. Let's see what we got. 6 doors. You want to find the doors. Avery, do you agree with 24? 12 times 2? Okay. I think that would work too. 24 doors. Me. Just kidding. I probably do actually. You go home and count the number of doors you have. No, cabinets aren't a door. Cabinets are cabinets. Nice conversation. Add it to your homework, but head to bronze. You can choose any problem, bronze, silver, or gold. You need to be working for 5 minutes. If you want to head to gold, just know they're going to have decimals. If you want to head to silver, just know you're going to have some fractions and decimals. You can start wherever you want to. If you're doing 1 through 4, I need to have the ratio table filled out. Jameson, you're working? Use your time wisely, 5 minutes. Vision's gone. 5 minutes. Jameson, I'm going to pause that conversation, although it is an important one that you can debate with your parents at home. Counting doors and all. Yes. You're going to like be rushing home and just sprinting around your house counting doors. You already know. That's your daily ritual. God. Don't do that. And then blame it on me. Probably.
Wait, hold on. I have a back door.
There you go. See?
What? No, like I
Sneaky.
suffer.
Sneaky door. Rush up on you. They are. All the time.